said I love you. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Oh, you could. Can you pick me up? I can't move. No. No. Oh no, I can't really grab it anymore. Whatever. It is pretty comfortable. I might consider. Let's try one more time. Grab that shit. No, that's not how you grab it. I'm disappointed. Oh no. No! What are you doing? Vespa! Vespa! Come back here, Vespa! Ah, that son of a bitch. Alright, I guess I can practice my sexual skills. This one's called oh yeah, piggy slide. This one's called just take me. Take me, right? Vespa! Oh, he likes my sexual moves. He's come here, Vespa. I know you want me. Vespa, psst. Come here, Vespa. Vespa. Oh yeah, you like these moves, Vespa. Yes. No! Vespa, I'm sorry, Vespa, don't leave me! I'm sorry, I can change! I love you!